he tried to come in. I don't think he missed the wind. Yeah, you would know. Fish was on there. My camera, look folks, my GoPro did not turn on, but that's a nice bass. Kerr Lake, this is my little cove right here. I caught my big crappie, another bass. We're gonna put him in the pond. Heck yeah, that green's tearing him up. Let's see if we can show you where I cast it and caught that one. Right out there. I was just retrieving it really slow, just a couple of little hops. All right, team. Came up here to Kerr Lake for a few hours this morning. It's probably about 7:30 a.m. I got somewhere to go. But we picked up a nice bass. That's what, about 2.5, 3 pounds right there. We're gonna put him in the pond after I take care of what I gotta take care of here in a little while. All right. All right. It's another nice bass right there. Yeah, that's a nice bass right there. Put her in the pond. I think that's a female. I'm not sure. Maybe. All right, guys. We went to Kerr Lake for a couple hours this morning. Caught this nice largemouth. Went to my grandma's for a few minutes. We drove over here to a relative's pond. We're gonna put this bass in there. Hopefully it's gonna lay a lot of eggs. I think it's a female. Check it out. All right.